Our bodies are made up of 80% water, our brain is made up of 70% water, so water is undoubtedly one of the essential things we need to consume regularly. Every morning, as soon as you wake up, the body is already 2 cups dehydrated. Therefore, water can solve much more issues in the body you can imagine. It provides body energy, reduces food cravings, helps you focus, and much more. Hence, you will enjoy numerous health benefits if you drink 2 cups of filtered alkaline water as soon as you wake up, and then you can drink or eat whatever you want. Diuretics, like coffee, immediately after waking up will also contribute to the further dehydration of the body throughout your day. Also, tap water is rich in antibiotics, hormones, and chlorine, as well as other metals which directly enter your system. Impure water leads to various illnesses, as it weakens the immune system. The public water sources also endanger your health. The acid-alkaline balance is vital for your health, as in an acidic environment of the body, the person experiences fatigue, low energy, weight gain, digestive issues, and other side effects, which are all avoidable if you maintain to neutralize the environment. Therefore, it is of high importance to consume pure water and fresh organic vegetables. Furthermore, even though they may be costly, alkaline water filtration systems can offer great benefits. You can also purchase a personal alkaline one for around $30. Moreover, the absolutely best water to drink is fresh spring water. This is the recipe of the morning alkaline water. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Himalayan pink salt, 1 organic lemon, washed, cut into eighths, 1 pitcher, 64 ounces, of clean filtered water. Instructions: in the pitcher with water, add the lemon pieces, and then add the Himalayan pink salt. Leave it overnight, or 8-12 hours at room temperature. You should drink 2 glasses of it the next morning, as soon as you wake up. Note: people with high blood pressure should never use this remedy.